Hello everyone. So in this video, we bring to you another breakout stock, and the name of the stock is Aditya Birla Sunlife Asset Management Company. So this stock was listed on 11th of October 2021 at the price of 715. So since its listing at the stock market, the stock has been in continuous downtrend and in 27th of March 2023, it reached its all-time low of 310. Its IPO listing price of 715 was its all-time high, and on 23rd of March 2023, it reached its all-time low of 310. So from 310, the stock price had a turnaround. Since then, the stock has been making higher and it has been in uptrend. So what is significant in this stock is on in the month of August 2024, the stock price broke out of its all-time high of 715. So let me draw a horizontal trend line to show you the breakout of the stock. The price of the stock broke out of its previous all-time high of 715. Okay, so this is the previous all-time. So I've drawn a horizontal line to show that the price of Aditya Birla AMC has broken out of its previous all-time high. So on 21st of August, the stock price broke out of its previous all-time high. It made another all-time high of 775, and then it came back to test its all-time high. This was a resistance, a long time resistance. Almost after 3 years the stock price has broken out. It was in the year 2021 October. Now it is in the year of September August 2024. Almost nearly 3 years the stock has broken out of its previous all-time high. So this line at 715 price point, it acted as a resistance. Since the stock price has broken out of its resistance, the same line at price of 715 now will act as a support. So you can see the stock price came back to 715 on 29th of August 2024. It retested it. It again went back, but it made a lower high when compared to what the price was on 21st August. So it made a lower high of around 760, and it has again come back to retest its previous all-time high, which is now the support. So there can be two scenarios now. Let me draw. So either the stock will retest the support and it will bounce back and come back to retest its new all-time high of 775 and again move back upwards, continuing its uptrend. Or otherwise, the price may not, this support may not hold and price may come down. Now this support becomes resistance, retest resistance, and it might go in a downtrend. So these different scenarios which are possible. So I'm hopeful that the stock will. So here the risk to reward ratio is very good since the stock is very near to its all-time high support of 715. You can keep we can keep 715 as a stop loss, as a closing basis stop loss daily candlestick, closing basis stop loss of 715, and we can go long from here. If this support doesn't hold, then we can have an exit with a minimum loss if the support doesn't hold. And if the support holds, then I expect to reach 1000. Then I expect the stock price to reach at least 1000. Right now the stock is at 723. If it's going to 1000, it is at least 25% gain, and the stop loss is very near at 715. 715. So we can keep 715 as the daily candlestick closing basis stop loss. Intraday, it might breach 715, but it doesn't matter. Only if a daily candlestick closes below the price level of 715, then we can exit the trade. Then we can take out our long position in Aditya Birla AMC. As long as this 715 support level holds, this stock is good to go. They can hold this stock for a long time and keep trailing the stop loss. Right now, let's assume that the stock bounces. Let's assume the stock bounces from 715 level and takes out this new all-time high of 775 and moves ahead. Let me show. Okay, let's assume it supports. This support now holds, price moves above, and now this earlier resistance at 775 is now support. So the price comes back to test this 775, again moves ahead. Now we are going to trial our stop loss from 715 to 775. As long as the stock is making higher highs and higher lows, as long as none of the crucial supports are broken, you can go long in this stock. So let's see. Let's go to the weekly chart and see what is going on in the weekly chart. So you can see in the weekly chart, the stock has formed a beautiful cup pattern, a beautiful rounding bottom pattern. You can see in the weekly chart, the stock has formed a beautiful rounding bottom pattern, and this might also become a cup and handle. So the stock price now may come back to 715 level and then move ahead, forming a kind of a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern. So you can also see the RSI is at 69, showing good strength. RSI 14 is at 69 in weekly chart, showing good strength, and it still has much more room for the price to move ahead until the RSI 14 reaches 80. 80 is where we consider as the stock price to be overbought. So in the monthly chart, you can see the volumes are in an uptrend. So the volume is continuously increasing month on month in the monthly chart. So Aditya Birla AMC, which has begun an uptrend since March 2023, as the price is also moving ahead, the volume is also increasing. I'm very bullish on this stock because this stock happens to be AMC, and because the recent trend has been that people are shifting towards mutual funds instead of being FDs as their primary investment source. So I'm bullish on this stock. So thank you for listening to this video. If you want technical analysis to be done for any other stock, let us know in the comment box. Thank you.
This video is strictly for educational purpose only. Financial markets are inherently risky and can cause significant financial loss. This video does not suggest or recommend any kind of activity or participation in financial markets. Do not take any position in the financial markets based on this video.